and welcome to Vlogtober day 6. This is, I thought I'd introduce you, this is my new puppy. She's 6.5 months old. This is Pippa, and yeah, she's into everything. She's keeps grabbing the balls of wool and running off with them and tangling them, so she's driving me crazy, but she's lovely. So yeah, and I'm trying to take her out for regular walks to get rid of that energy, so that she's not chasing around after the balls of wool. And someone did ask if she was whether she was a beaver terrier, and she is. So she's registered in Germany, but she's not recognised by the Kennel Club in England, in the UK, but she is in America and Germany, and is a type of Yorkie. So tricolours, so she doesn't get any bigger than a Yorkshire Terrier. But yeah, she's very cute, aren't you? And mischievous. Right, so what have I done so far? I have finished day 14 of the Crochet Society Square for calendar 2022, and there it is. And it was called Geo Diamond. So that's what it was, and I've managed to keep it pretty tidy on the back. So I've just got to get rid of those loose ends. So so that I'm going to put that onto the block, and then we're going to start on day 16. Oh no, it's day 4. That was day 15. So we're going to start day 16, and that is some more of this humbug colour. Yes, not for you, not for you. And we'll be doing, let's turn the page over and see, we'll be doing this pattern here, which I think I've done before in those colours. So they're heart shape, so we'll be doing that in the humbug. I think it's humbug, yeah, humbug and elderberry, that is. So it'll be this one and elderberry. Is this one? No, this is wine gum. Elderberry, so it'll be these two. That's left over from previous time. So we'll be doing those. So, and that'll be day 16. So let's see, you can see, yeah, day 16. So yes, so I'm going to get that done. Now I have made a start on the Halloween Dreams blanket, and I'll put a picture up here of what it's meant to be like. And it arrived yesterday, and I did an unbagging, and if you see on the picture, you can see it's starts off with a purple, and then you cast on 154, I think it is, and you end up with 150 stitches anyway. And I'm doing this white bobble along here, and this is the bottom, so it's not a bad length. I don't know how much that is. I think it's what were the measurements? It did say 100 centimetres by 125, so reasonable size. Yes, so I'm going to carry on with that, and I've got to take Pippa to the vet later to have her checked up, because she's going to be neutered before Christmas, hopefully. So yes, so she's going to have a check-up, and then I'll book her in. But yeah, apart from that, I haven't had any of the other orders that I made. They haven't arrived yet, but as soon as they do, I'll get them unboxed for you. But yes, yeah, so that's it really, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye for now.